Let's take a quick look here at Delta Math in case you haven't looked at it or used it before. So just type in your username, your email address, and your login. Should be your school email address and your school password. Wait for it to log in. Okay, then you'll see an upcoming assignment here. So whatever upcoming assignments are happening in your class, the ones that are not due yet, and you can see the due date right here. So the ones that haven't passed their due date yet are going to be blue. Any that are late, that there's late credit available for, I believe turn yellow. And then if they've passed the final late deadline, so there's no more late dates left, then they're going to turn red. So if your teacher doesn't have credit open for that assignment anymore, then they're going to be red. So you'll see over here, so I've actually already started this one, but it'll tell you how much of the assignment you have completed, what percent. Then it will also tell you here in each of these skills how many of each problem you need to do. So we need to do 3 problems in each of these skills. You can collapse these two while you're looking at this screen. So if you'd rather not look at all of those, maybe it looks like this on your screen when you logged in, I'm not sure. And you can just click on it to open them. So then you just go ahead and you click on the skill to go in. So you can work out of order if you'd like to do one versus the other first. So when you click into the skill, it'll open up a problem, and now you're going to get various problems. So you're not going to get the exact same problems as your friend. So a couple of things here. Again, here's a record of how many you've done of this problem. So I've done 0 out of 3. And then it'll tell you, what the skill is, what time of day it is that you're working on it, and then it'll also give you a help video if one's available. Sometimes there aren't any help videos, but they're right here underneath the date and time. Then it'll give you a problem, and you'll go ahead and select a problem or select an answer. It'll ask you if you want to submit it. You can say whatever. So yes, okay, so then I was wrong. So then it'll go through here and it'll tell me what I did wrong. Well, it'll show me the way to do it correctly, and then you can push next problem. So if you need help, again, you can watch the help video, or you can click up here on this show example, and it'll show you what to do. And then you can look at another example if you want to, or you can go back to the original problem and go ahead and try to successfully complete that. So what does it want? Which expression represents the perimeter? So perimeter would be 4 of these. Or 2 of each of these added together. So let's see, 13, what is this? 5, 8, or 5, 6.7, 13.4. 5. Okay. So let's see if that's right. Okay, so then it says that you're correct, and now it changed your score up here to 1 out of 3. And so now that's not 1/3. You didn't get 1 out of 3 points. You've completed 1 out of 3 problems. So then you need to go to the next problem and go ahead and complete that. So let's see, 12, 13, 14.7, 15 point. Oh, whoops, those are not. Okay, let's see. 8.7. Okay, all right, let's see. Haven't done these clearly before logging in here. Okay, but so then you complete it again, and then it says, your score again, go to the next problem, which is equivalent to this. So you're going to put these two together to get your, all 3 of these together to get your answer. So let's see. So what is that? 1.7 minus point. So something like this. Okay, so now you actually have a score of 3 out of 3. And so if you hit next problem again, it's because you're done with this section now. So now it's going to tell you, congrats, you're done with the section. You can hit the back button to go back to all of these. So you can pick a new one, or when you're in that section, you can just hit next section. Okay, but so be sure you look here in case. So I don't want you to end up having, let's see if it'll let us. I don't want you, yeah, so it'll keep letting you do more problems. Okay, and so I don't want you to keep doing more problems when you've already completed the section. Okay, so just be careful that you're looking here to know that you're done. Okay, again, help video, show an example back here, and it'll show you what % of the assignment is done. So then this is what you should screenshot to turn in to me in your assignment. I can also see all of this, so let me just show you quick that on my end I can actually see your assignments here. So make sure you're just turning it in, because I'm going to go and check here also, but it helps me to have it in Schoology as well. So yeah, I can just see all of you guys. So here's the account that I was using. So I can see all of you guys in here. Oh, whoops. And then I can just click and see what you've done. So now it shows me that I've done 33% of that assignment. And it actually tells me how long it took you on each problem. And I can actually see what time you did it at in a different screen that I'm not going to pull up right now. But I can see like what time of day you did it on the date and the time. And so I can just tell if you just guess a bunch or you're getting stuff wrong. So I can kind of see if you need help on something there. So that is Delta Math for you.